gonna try lifting this. I got no idea how it's gonna go. No idea if the braces are gonna hold or if those lags are gonna hold. But we are gonna find out. Okay, I'm a smidge off center. Up against a tree here if I can, so it's out of the way where I could bring the skid steer in or the tractor and just I'm gonna put concrete bags and gravel. It'd be nice to just drive right up here, but I got a spot right here in mind. You're gonna see in a minute that I'm hoping to set this down at. It'll be out of the way. But I don't know if it's too heavy to swing over the side or not. Find out. Right here against this tree, it'll be out of the way. Not half bad. Not half bad. Here's where it's gonna set for now. Okay, we got it sitting up against that tree. That was a success so far. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna bring the concrete in and the clean gravel. But definitely stay tuned. Oh, I hate these. There's two stumps right here. Big ones. And I don't want to pull them out because I don't want to tear the top of this dam apart. You can see how narrow it is to begin with. But I will be bringing dirt in and beefing it up. So stay tuned for the next fun on the pond bridge.